Hey, Dr. Feeney. My name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video, I'm going to go over 3 things you can start doing today to help bring more customers into your business. I work with businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. And I've found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners putting their trust in me to grow their company. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeves and digital marketing strategies that can help you grow your business, shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan and do it yourself, that works for me too. So, let me show you 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to discuss is content. So I took your website here and I went and I plugged it in one of the tools I use called SEO Quake, as you can see, and you have about 773 words on your home page. Now Google has released that their algorithms, when they crawl these pages, are looking for a minimum of 1,500 words to be optimized within Google. So you guys are falling a little shy. You need to pretty much just double the content on there. So that's a really quick, easy way to just start growing. Now I typed in orthodontist in Tampa and pulled up one of your top competitors here, Blue Wave Orthodontics, and I did the same thing, just plugged them in SEO Quake, and they've got about 2,100 words. So that's just a little comparison to kind of see what the top competition's doing. Which leads me into my second point, which is going to be the importance of keyword density. So as you can look, the top keywords you have are dental, Tampa, care, pediatric, children, and orthodontics. Now these are great keywords, and dental being obviously a great one for what you do. However, the issue with the lower ones right here is that you're not getting enough density in there, and that's basically because you don't have enough content. If we look at the competition, they have Tampa, orthodontic, braces, Blue Wave obviously as their company name, and those are the most key ones I think. But as you can see, they have 26, 13, braces they have 13 times. So when Google looks, so their algorithms, and they're crawling the pages after someone types in what they're looking for, they're going to search for those keywords on those web pages. So it'll go hand in hand with when you improve content and increase content, but really you just want to make sure you have that quality and you have those keywords, and when you're making your content that you're keeping the keywords in mind. And just to show you why that's important is if we look at how often orthodontist is searched in Florida monthly, we can see that there's a huge number of searches going on. I mean, you have almost 50,000 right here alone. So just think of the amount of clicks you could be missing on your website and potential customers coming through the door. With that said, there's the third thing that I'd like to discuss. So I took your competitor's website and I plugged it in a tool called Ahrefs, and what we can see here is that they have 816 backlinks. Now backlinks are critical because what they are is they are basically the way that your website gets power, and in this case the way they're going to get power is that the website's not their website, right? So a different website, let's say dentistofamerica.com, if they are putting a backlink or a website reference to Blue Wave Ortho, that's basically what a backlink is. They're sharing their website power with Blue Wave Ortho. Now why that's important is because Google strongly looks at these scores right here, which is the URL and the domain ratings. And this is basically like how trustworthy they are and how strong their website is. So the more backlinks you have, the better. But you don't just want any old backlink. You want quality backlinks. You want backlinks that are going to come from strong, relevant websites, such as anything to do with dentistry, pediatric dentistry, or orthodontics in your case, as opposed to something like Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. You're working on teeth. So, in closing, we talked about 3 things today. We talked about content, getting at least 1,500 words on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed the importance of keywords, and that when you're building that content, you want to ensure that you're accounting for the keywords that could be searched and that you want to populate for. Thirdly, and most importantly, we talked about backlinks and getting those backlinks from high quality sites and not just taking backlinks that you can get from anywhere, because ultimately using spammy backlinks will actually hurt your site. Now, if you implement the 3 strategies we discussed today, you could easily start growing to the front page of Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can take this information I provided you today and implement all these strategies on your own. However, if you want the more effective route and you want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.